In the heart of the mountains, surrounded by towering pines and sweeping views, a man sets up his fire. The sky is clear, the air fresh and cool, perfect for outdoor cooking. Slowly, he shreds marinated beef onto skewers, each piece glistening with spices. As the kebabs hit the grill, the fire crackles and the meat begins to sizzle, releasing waves of rich, smoky aroma into the crisp mountain air. With every careful turn, the meat browns, searing in flavor and tenderness. Birds sing in the distance, a stream trickles nearby, and the whole scene feels timeless. Here, cooking is not just about food, it's about connecting with nature, slowing down, and savoring the simple beauty of life.